Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.